Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 13 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, all you need to do is pull down the control center from the right side, or upper right side, and for me it says focus right here, but this I believe changes when you select other modes. So anyway, to get started, hold the toggle right here and it will give you a couple additional options. As you can see, there is the Do Not Disturb mode, personalized, work, and sleep. Now I want to use the Do Not Disturb, so I'm just gonna select that. And additionally, as you can see, it's now showing that it's enabled. And if you want to toggle it quickly on and off, once you do that, you can simply click on this circle right here to enable and disable. You don't actually have to go to this panel right here every single time. So anyway, that is how you would enable it, and once you're done with it, simply click on it again to turn it off. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.